Hey everybody, so a lot of you have been requesting a updated braid out video. I have a couple braid out tutorials on my channel. They pretty much are the same. There's really nothing to it. So these are the products I used, and I'm not going to go over products. I feel like it's all about technique. If you want any good product recommendations for braid outs that's going to give you hold and moisture, I'm going to leave some recommendations down below. So for me, I prefer to do medium to large sections when I'm doing braids, just because I get more volume and it doesn't take as long to unravel them. But you take 3 strands and you twist them over top of each other. I'm gonna have a detailed braid out video in the cards because I go more in detail. Doing plaits is very simple. Just take your time and make sure you have 3 equal parts. Once you get to the ends, I put one end with another end, and then I have 2 ends. I twist them and then I coil my ends. On this day, I actually did a hanging bantu knot. If you want a detailed video on how I do that, I'm going to leave it in the cards. You also want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled, because it's a lot harder to keep my hair smooth if I don't, and I don't get that much definition. With twist outs, I do not have to worry about that. I do not have to make sure my hair is super detangled, but with braid outs, yes, detangle your hair first.
You have won the victory. Hallelujah. You have won it all for me. Death could not hold you down. Ooh, you are the risen King. Oh God, seated in majesty.
And if your ends start to get dry, make sure you apply a little more product or just wet it with water. That's definitely going to help to get that curl definition and to get moisture on your ends. And I'm officially done. I don't know how many braids I have, maybe 15.
Ooh, you are the reason.
So when you are unraveling the braid, you want to just twist it the opposite way, because you did 2-strand twist on the end, and then you want to unbraid the section, or you can pull 2 of the ends and it's going to come loose very quickly. And I just take my time because you do not want to rush this step, or you will get unwanted frizz.
Hallelujah. You have won the victory. Hallelujah. You have won it all for me. Death could not hold you down. Oh, you are the risen King, who was seated in majesty. Oh, you are the risen King.
So I'm just going to use my pick to just fluff my roots. I'm not going to separate this braid out just because I really like that voluminous look. I like how thick the sections look. If you want to separate, use a little oil on your fingers and pull apart the section where it naturally comes apart. These products that I use leave my hair super fluffy and super bouncy. I really don't get that much hold. So if I separated, my hair would definitely frizz up a lot more. But like I said previously, I'm going to leave some combos down below that's going to give you hold, moisture, and definition. So I really do love braid outs. I don't do them that often because I find that it takes longer to me than twists. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you love doing braid outs, if you have any tips for anybody doing braid outs, please leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.